SHIB slumps as large holders take profits. Although retail traders' interest in the token remains strong, an increasing number of wallets with significant holdings have reduced their SHIB positions. SHIBA INU, the self-proclaimed dogcoin killer, may still have its passionate following, but it was in the red again Wednesday, following 3 consecutive weeks of losses. The loss followed profit-taking by large SHIB token holders, as the crypto market moved to a risk-off mode, a situation when traders reduce their exposure to riskier assets, according to blockchain data. Crypto markets are currently in a risk-off mode following the new highs made by Bitcoin and Ether, about 2 weeks back, blockchain analytics firm Nansen said in a written response to CoinDesk, adding that it's natural to see higher beta assets like SHIB to dip in price as investors de-risk. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.00000370, down 11.89% in the past 24 hours, according to Messeri. According to Nansen, an increasing number of wallets with significant holdings have been reducing their SHIB positions recently, possibly due to profit-taking. Data from blockchain data firm Sentiment shows similar trends. So-called whale transaction counts, or the number of SHIB transactions valued more than $100,000, have been rising since the beginning of November. Active deposits, or the amount of daily unique addresses to deposit SHIB to centralized exchanges, have also been increasing. A spike in the active deposit metric may indicate a rise in short-term sell pressure for the token, according to Sentiment's metric explainer. Like any asset, SHIB price is the product of supply and demand. A larger percentage of SHIB buyers were evidently attracted by its speculative appeal alone, Rick Delaney, a senior analyst at OKX Insights, said. Drawn by the asset's rising price, many SHIB investors simply do not have the long-term conviction needed to hold their positions or to re-enter the market while the price is dropping. Falling trading volume. While SHIB was once the most traded token on centralized exchanges, its trading volume has dropped significantly, as CoinGecko's data shows. Nansen said that trading volume is among the most important metrics for SHIB and other meme tokens because a drop in trading volume shows that investors start to lose interest and become more cautious of putting money in the meme-themed tokens. The most traded alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins, on centralized exchanges now are gaming-related tokens, including Decentraland, Mana, and the Sandbox, Sand, according to CoinGecko. SHIB's price fall can be mostly attributed to the recent shift in investors' interest from meme tokens to metaverse projects, crypto price tracking site CoinMarecap wrote in a response to CoinDesk. That can easily be seen by comparing the trading volume of Mana, Sand and SHIB. Trading volume is always related to investors' interest in a project, it added. Social media buzz around the canine-themed coin has also sunk dramatically. At the time of publication, Google Trends, a widely used tool to gauge retail interest in trending topics, showed a value of 22 for the search query SHIB globally, down from a peak at 100 at the end of October. A score of 100 represents peak popularity, the maximum number of searches observed for a term during a given time. A value of 22 means fewer people are scanning the web for information on SHIB. Silver lining. Despite declining social media buzz around the meme token, retail investors' interest in SHIB remains strong as the number of unique addresses holding SHIB continues to increase. Good news for the SHIB army. The number of unique addresses holding SHIB surpassed 1 million on the 11th of November, a time when SHIB's prices were already dropping, according to Nansen data. Retail interest is definitely there still, as people take speculative bets. Daniel Koo, research analyst at Nansen, said. No one wants to miss out on getting rich. the world's hottest cryptocurrency looks poised for a major pullback. In late October, SHIBA INU hit what's currently its all-time high of $0.00008841 per token. That might not sound like much, but it represented a gain of more than 17,300,000% from its debut day less than 15 months earlier, August 2020. How does any investment gain over 17,300,000% in such a short time frame? In no particular order, SHIBA INU has benefited from more crypto exchanges than ever accepting it for listing. The fear of missing out, FOMO, encouraging investors to chase SHIB higher. The launch of decentralized exchange SHIBA Swap, which is coercing longer hold times. Landing movie theater chain AMC Entertainment as its first major merchant. While these wins might sound tangible, the reality is that SHIB has been hyped by its community on social media and offers little lasting substance. For instance, only 138 merchants worldwide accept SHIB as a form of payment, according to online business directory Cryptwork. What's more, with SHIBA INU being an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network, it's tied to the same high fees and lag times that can impact Ethereum. Additionally, history has shown that high-flying cryptocurrencies get clobbered after hitting their respective peaks. When I examined how 3 payment coins performed after netting 5 and 6-digit percentage gains over a short period, I found they declined by 93% to 99% within the following 26 months. Chances are good that SHIBA INU could be pummeled over the next year, if not longer. These cryptocurrencies should be worth more than SHIB by this time next year. As of the 18th of November, SHIBA INU was ranked as the 11th biggest cryptocurrency by market value, $23.5 billion, according to CoinMarketCap.com. But between an expected decline in SHIB's value and the real-world potential of digital currencies currently ranked below it, this crypto duo could very well be bigger than SHIB by this time next year. Stellar. Currently ranked 24th, with a market cap of $8 billion, Stellar, Crypto:XLM, looks to have a very good chance to eclipse SHIBA INU's market cap a year from now. What makes Stellar so exciting is its ability to vastly improve cross-border payments. With existing payment infrastructure, it can take up to a week for cross-border payments to be validated and settled. It's an inconvenience that businesses and consumers have been accustomed to for decades, but it's possibly resolved with blockchain technology. With Stellar, fiat currency can be turned into lumens, XLM, the protocol token of Stellar's network, transferred anywhere in the world, and turned back into a fiat currency of choice. To do this takes just 4 to 5 seconds and costs only 0.00001 XLM. In other words, it would take about 305,000 transactions before a mere $1 in fees were racked up. Also, as you probably gathered from this data, Stellar is a rapidly scalable network. Its developers have claimed the network can handle 3,000 transactions per second, TPS. For context, Bitcoin and Ethereum are handling a respective 7 TPS and 13 TPS. The icing on the cake here is that Stellar has demonstrated its real-world use. While SHIB is virtually useless outside of a cryptocurrency exchange, Stellar partnered with a dozen major banks in the South Pacific region all the way back in 2017 to handle cross-border payments. It's a good bet to be a more valuable digital currency than SHIB. Algorand. Another cryptocurrency that has all the tools necessary to surpass SHIBA INU and leave it firmly in its dust is Algorand, Crypto::Algo, which ranks as the 20th largest digital currency by market cap, $11.1 billion. The way I see it, two aspects should give Algorand plenty of real-world appeal. First of all, it offers a refined proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Rather than relying on the energy-intensive proof-of-work model that Bitcoin employs, or the standard proof-of-stake model that has the potential to be corrupted by smaller players, Algorand deploys what's known as pure proof-of-stake, POS. With POS, users are chosen at random to propose blocks and vote on proposals. It's a step up in decentralization that'll ensure a high level of security. Second, Algorand's developers have made blockchain interoperability a focus. At the moment, most smart contract-focused blockchain are unique, which confines decentralized applications, DApps, to the blockchain they are hosted on. This is to say that it would be difficult, if not impossible, for businesses to transfer data, files, or capital between each other if utilizing a unique blockchain network. Algorand's blockchain interoperability bridges these differences, which frees developers up to do more with DApps and financially focused projects. As one last note, Algorand is fast. On the 18th of November, the network offered a block finality of 4.38 seconds and was processing more than 1,100 TPS. In English, it means Algorand is completing transfers on its network in less than 4.4 seconds, and looks to be capable of 66,000 transactions per minute. It deserves to be worth far more than SHIBA INU given its real-world potential. 5G is here, and shares of this sleeping giant could be a great way for you to potentially profit. According to one leading industry firm, the 5G boom could create a global industry worth US $12.3 trillion out of thin air. And if you click here, we'll show you something that could be key to unlocking 5G's full potential. It's just one innovation from a little-known US company that has quietly spent years preparing for this exact moment. But you need to get in before the crowd catches on to this sleeping giant.